So today we are moving. Rob's just bringing up the anchor. Rob has brought up the anchor. I'm filming and keeping us off the reef. And we've got lots of sailboats around us today, which is nice.
Very nice.
So bye bye beautiful anchorage here, and we're going to go a little bit further north. And it's a beautiful day.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of future episodes.
Well, we've moved anchorages today. We've come from over there to over here. With the other two boats it was getting a wee bit sloppy. So we have another dreadful view, surrounded by crowded beaches. We're a little bit deep here. We've dropped in 25 metres.
Yep.
It's fine, we've got the chain to do it, but Rob, we couldn't see the bottom, so Rob's chucking a tank on. He's going to go down and just make sure that we're sitting nicely in sand and not wrapped around anything untoward.
Yeah, it felt okay, but let's
Felt
just
like
double
we were
check.
dug in, I have to say, but yeah, it's always good to have a check if one has the means.
Anchoring when you can't see the bottom always carries some risk of snagging corals. We dropped the hook in shallower water, so the first part of the anchor and chain were well set. Unfortunately, the chain had snagged some low corals, but I was able to move the chain so we were swinging freely. Away!
What you got cooking?
A big veggie stir fry.
Hurrah!
Yeah,
Sounds good, smells great.
Yeah, it's the combination of a great day's diving and just chilling.
Birthday cake, don't forget birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
It was Alex's birthday.
With Offshore Haven. So,
Yeah.
that was good. And
Been a pretty good day, eh?
We've just run out of gas.
Oh, we have. Always in the middle of dinner. Hurrah! Shall we swap that then?
Yes. Let
Let me give you a hand. Our gas is just here, people. Fortunately, we filled them all before we left. That's not going to be annoying at all, is it? And you've waited until the sun comes down to the back of the boat, so it's nice and hot for you doing that.
Yeah.
You've had a busy afternoon, haven't you?
Just trying to spring clean the boat a little bit, really.
You've done a good job.
Yeah.
It looks very mould-free.
Yes. So, yeah, just and also just clearing out the front locker a bit.
Talk and pump, talk and pump.
Well, it's very noisy, that's all.
You have. You've cleaned out the front locker as well, which was horrible, wasn't it?
Yeah, it needed doing. So, it's good, it's been a good day. This is what happens when there's no internet, you see, to distract us.
What are we having for dinner?
Breadfruit curry.
We got given 2 breadfruit today
Yeah.
from Emily and Pumpkin in the village. Rob has made. Let me just take the lid off this bad boy. And in there, oh, steamed up the lens. Look at that.
It's good.
Is breadfruit curry for dinner.
Yeah.
Breadfruit and lentil and spinach, I believe.
Oh, I haven't put the spinach in actually. I should do that.
Ooh, probably.
Thanks for reminding me.
That's okay. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful sunset. No complaints here this evening. It's been a good day. Dinner is served. Check that out.
That's pretty good, eh?
Breadfruit, spinach and lentils. Yum diddy yum yum. Wow, I just got up to put the kettle on and noticed this beautiful rainbow off the back. It's a nice start to a Saturday morning, isn't it? The swell has died down in here. It's a bit cloudy and a bit showery. Much calmer today, no rocking and rolling going on. Looks like it's going to be another beautiful day. These are in the oven and it smells fantastic in here, doesn't it?
It does. It smells very nice.
I'm very excited. And this afternoon we're going to go and have another little snorkel or a dive on that reef behind us. The wind has dropped. We had a very, very, very bouncy night with winds up to about 27 knots.
Yep. And it's below 20 now, so it's a lot less bouncy.
It's lovely and it's a beautiful day. Sun's out, there's a bit of cloud around, but it's generally very nice. Happy Sunday!
I know.
Can't wait for those brownies to come out.
Not long now.
And there it is. We can't touch it for 10 minutes. And then we have to let it cool completely. But just think, when we come back from our dive this afternoon,
we'll have a snack.
Oh, hey! Sunday cake.
I know, it's good.
Have a pumpkin in your hand, or are you just pleased to see me? Oh, gratuitous close up.
I'm sorry, big knife. I'm trying to use the heat from the oven, so I'm in a rush, obviously.
I do actually do quite a lot of cooking on this boat. It's just what other films we're doing.
That's right.
So then.
It's all about me.
So it's done its 10 minutes in the tin, and now we have to wait for it to cool completely.
This is the hardest part. Waiting half an hour after it's cooked. It's looking pretty good.
Oh man, yeah.
The bits that have accidentally fallen off, they taste pretty good actually.
The bits that we accidentally hacked off the side.
Yeah, it worked well.
Come back from a snorkel.
Yes.
And now it's time for tea and cake. The cutting of the cake.
It's a serious cake.
Does it feel moist?
Yes, actually.
Got to cut it into squares. It's brownies.
Okay, I'll do
Oh,
it.
never mind it. Just cut it into really great wadges instead. That's fine by me. It smells divine.
Nice and rich. There we go. That'll do for starters.
Yeah. Having a little meander around the island, coming round to the seaward side. And here it all is, ladies and gentlemen. Plastic, plastic, and more plastic. It's just depressing if you can hear me above the wind noise, but all the way along here, on the high tide line on the windward side, is just a mass of plastic. Flip-flops, bottles, lids, fishing floats, nets, there's just rope, there's all sorts of stuff all the way around. Looks like a breadfruit.
It is a breadfruit, but it's very ripe and pretty much perfect for cooking. Actually, it goes all sweet, so instead of doing a banana cake, I'm replacing the banana with breadfruit. And this is so soft I can actually just scoop it out with a spoon. It's lovely. It smells really good.
I smell it.
Yeah.
Can't wait for the cake.
Very perfumey. Yeah, hopefully it'll work. Hopefully it won't be too heavy. We'll see.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
It's got sugar and good stuff in it.
It's alright then.
It'll be fine.
Nice, darling.
I'm having a little snack. Breadfruit bread, actually. It's very nice.
Stodgy, but it was good, eh? And we are at Ailuk. What did I just say it was called?
Ailuk Island.
Ailuk? Something like that. Anyway, it's very pretty. I'll show you. 5.
Yay!
We're going off with Uno Mas and Offshore Haven to that bomby there. You can probably just about see. We snorkeled it the other day, so we're going to go and see what it's like as a dive site.
It's going to be a good one.
Shall we?
Let's do it. We did a few dives around the various bombies in Ailuk lagoon. The visibility was always a little cloudy and the underwater structures were plate and staghorn hard corals. There have been a number of bleaching events in the last few years, which unfortunately has meant there is now very little soft corals. There were a few fish around, but not as many as we expected. Most likely this is because the locals spend a lot of time fishing. As local resources on land are so scarce, fish is the primary source of food. We're going to the beach.
We are going to the beach indeed. It's Mark's birthday and we're going to go and have a fire and some din-dins on the beach. May there be much merriment.
I think there might be actually. Let's go.
Beautiful evening. And here we have the arrival of the birthday boy.
Yeah, definitely.
And the birthday boy's better half.
Hey, thank you.
So here's
Hello.
my birthday cake.
Oh, look at that.
Pineapple,
Pineapple upside down cake or just
upside
pineapple
down.
cake? Yay.
yay! And everybody gets cherry.
Right. Oh, he's got a rug to sit on and everything. The man's a legend. Happy birthday, sir. And here we have the birthday boy. Birthday boy eating his ravioli from the can.
Phenomenal.
Is
Edit that out.
Is it hot or cold?
Oh, it's cold. No, they're better cold.
It's like cold.
well, it's actually it's air temperature.
It's
like-
lukewarm
it's
because
like-
it's like 90 degrees here.
It's like a cold baked beans thing, isn't it? Beans out of the can always taste better.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave us a comment below. If you'd like to support our journey, please head over to our Ko-fi page and buy us a coffee. For real-time updates, please check our Facebook and Instagram pages.